Good morning, all of you. My name is Amit Sishodia, and I am going to discuss about programming with Python. Okay, so here it is Q basic, but no, today we are going to discuss about Python. Okay, we will take the reference of Q basic, but we will do programming in Python. Okay, so we will start with the input and output and print statements. Okay, so let's start. Um okay, so the every programming language consists of some basic elements. Okay, some basic elements are required for writing the program. Okay, so these are the basic elements that we have to use while writing a program. First one is set of characters. When we are writing a program, we need to use some characters. Okay, so set of characters that we need to use while writing a program. Okay, so what are these character sets? So in this character set there are alphabets, means we have to use these alphabets A to Z. Okay, either in small letters or capital letters. Okay, second one is numbers. We have to use numbers for writing a program. Have to use special characters also like this. Okay, okay, now next one are keywords. Keywords are some elements that we used in our programming language that have some special meaning. Okay, that are already specified in our programming language. So all programming language have some keywords that have some specific meaning. Like we use print in Python for giving the output. Okay, if we want to take the input, we have to use the input keyword. Okay, so we will discuss it in our later video when we are going to start the programming. So these are the keywords that have some special meaning, like input is used for taking the input from the user, and print is used for giving the output to the user. For is used for repeating some command. Okay, we use else if. These are the keywords that we use in Python also. Okay, we use int also for specifying the integer value. Okay, and cannot be used by the programmer as the constant or variable, and these keywords cannot be used as a variable, means we have to give the name to the variables. So when we are going to give the name to the variable, the name should not be from the keywords. Keywords are special for the different purpose. We cannot use it as a variable. If we will use it, we will find out that there are some error in the program. Now, constants are those terms that have some specific values. That value cannot be changed. Okay, that value cannot be changed during the program execution. Constant are the data or the values in the program. Okay, that whose value is fixed, cannot be changed. So there are two types of constant. First one is string constant and second one is numeric constant. Okay, so string constant in which we use letter words and numbers or combination of letters, numbers and the special characters like apple, bee, symbol. These are the string constant, or we are writing the sentence. This is also a string constant. Next one is numeric constant, whose value is also not changed, whose value is fixed. A number with or without decimal point is a numeric constant. Okay, so these are the numeric constant. Next one is variable, whose value is vary according to the program. Okay, so a variable is a place in the computer memory which has name and stores data temporarily. Variable stores data needed to be used in the program. Okay, so its value varies when we are executing our program. Now, how rules for naming a variable? How we can give name to a variable? So every variable begin with a letter. Okay. If you want to write a variable, then it should be start with the letter, either A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Okay. So it should be start with the letter. Variable name can have alphabets and numbers. So variable can be a combination of alphabet and number, but it should be start with the letter. We can write a1 also. Okay, so a1 is also a variable. No special character is allowed in the name except the underscore. When you are writing the name of the variable, then no special symbols like at the rate hash should be used. Okay, only you can use the underscore. Okay, you can write a underscore 1. So that is right. Okay, in case of string variable, variable name is followed by the dollar sign. Okay, when you are writing the string variable, then you have to use the dollar sign. Okay, like this: address dollar, name dollar. Space is not allowed in a variable name. You cannot write a and then space 1. This is wrong way. Okay, you cannot provide space between these variable name. Okay, next one is operator. Operator that will apply on the operand. Suppose a and b. You have to add these two numbers, then you have to use plus sign. If you want to multiply, then you have to use this multiply sign. Okay. If you want to divide, then you have to use divide sign. So there are various operators. First one is arithmetic operators. Second one is logical operators. Third one is relational operators, and fourth one is string operators. So arithmetic operators are exponent, multiply, division, addition, and subtraction that you have already learned in maths. Okay. So when you are going to use this arithmetic operator, then you have to use this BODMAS tool. Okay, BODMAS tool you have to use. First you have to solve the bracket, then division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. Okay, for solving the arithmetic problem, you have to use the BODMAS tool. In the same way, computer also use the BODMAS tool. Next one is relational operator. Relational operator that will find the relation between the two, either equal to, greater than, less than, equal to. So these are the relational operators. Okay, if a equal to b, a here a is equal to 5 and b equal to 7. We have write a equal to b, so answer is false. No, that is wrong. A is greater than b, again false. B is greater than a, then true. So these relation operator help you to solve the specific problem. Next, there is a logical operator. Logical operators are of three types: AND operator or NOT. AND means multiply, or means plus. Okay, and not means opposite of this. Okay, you are finding the opposite. Okay, if I am writing a and b, okay, that means we have to check the value of a and b. If both are true, then answer is true. If any one is false, then answer is false. So the result of AND operator is true when both the expression are true, otherwise it is false. Means if value of a is true and value of b is true, then only the answer is true. Okay, then only the answer is true, otherwise every time answer is false. Okay, true equal to true. But in our case, if the result of or operator is false when the both expression are false, when both expression are false, then only the answer is false, otherwise every time answer is true. Now we will start with the Python. So to open the open the Python, we have to click on the start button, and then we have to find out the Python IDLE. Okay, so we can search it from here also. IDLE. Okay, when we will click here, this screen will be visible to you. Okay, this is a interactive mode. Okay, So when I am asking 4 plus 5 and then press enter, it will provide you answer 9. If I am writing 150 divided by 25, then answer is 6. Okay, so this is an interactive board. When you write down the query, it will provide you answer. But when you want to write a program and then you want to execute that program, for that you have to use the scripting mode. To open the scripting mode, you have to click on this file button and then click on new file, and this window will appear. This is a scripting mode. Okay, here you can write the program. So first we will write the program of addition. A equal to 150 and B equal to 650 and C equal to A plus B. Okay, so we have write the program of adding two numbers. Now we want to give the output. For giving output, we write print and bracket, answer is C. So we have to write down the program like this. Okay, we have to specify the value of A, we have to specify the value of B, and C equal to A plus B, and we have to give the answer with the help of print keyword. Print is a keyword. So now our program is complete. We have to save this file, save as. Okay, and we write the program name is add for addition, and we have to give the extension name py. Okay, py stands for python file. Okay, and then we will click add save. Okay, now to run the file, we have to click this run and then first one run module, and we will click. The answer is 800. 800 is visible to us, so answer is 800. 150 plus 650 is 800. Now we have provided the value and we will get the answer. Now I want to get the answer from the user. Okay, I want that user will give value to us and we will add that values and give the answer to the user. Means we are taking the input from the user and give output to the user. For getting the value of A and B from the user, we write A equal to int. Means we are taking the integer value from the user and then enter value of A, enter value of A. Okay, and then again in B we write int enter value of B. Okay, and then we will write A plus B equal to, and the answer is C. Okay, now we have write down the program. Now we will save the file with the help of Control plus S. Now our file is saved. Now we will run this file. Okay, okay, we have not write down the input. Okay, we are taking the input from the user, so we have to write input. Okay, input, and here also we have to write input. Here we are going to take the input from the user, so we have to use the command input. Okay, and then we have to close this bracket and then close this one also, and again Control plus S and then F5. Now it is asking enter the value of A. Suppose I am writing 850. Okay, now press enter. Now it is asking the value of B. I am writing 900. Okay, 9000. Now press enter. Now A plus B equal to 9850. Okay, so this is our first program in which we are taking the input from the user and giving output to the user. Okay, you can use it again also. Okay, suppose first we will write the value of A. we are writing 7,525, and value of b is 4,960. Okay, and then press enter. So answer is 12,485. So by this way you can create a program of addition. Now, I want to create a program of multiplication. So what I have to do? Simply I have to change this value. A plus b की जगह हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे a multiply b, and print a plus b की जगह हम लिखेंगे a multiply b, and then control plus s, and then press F5. Okay. Now value of a, suppose I am writing 15, and value of b I am writing 5. Now a multiply b is 75. Okay. So by this way, you can create a program of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay. So mainly what you need to know, input is a keyword that will help you to take the input from the user. Print is a keyword that will help you to give output to the user. And here we have used int. Int is used for taking the integer value from the user. So this is a basic program that we have created today. So practice this one, and next time we will learn more programs of Python. Okay. So practice it as much as you can do. Okay. Thank you class for today.